All right, every dad realizes that carrying a cooler is fun for about the first 30 feet. That's why insert this bad mamma jamma right here. It has wheels, has handle, will travel, right? I mean, this is not your carry-on. You're not taking it on the plane, but I mean, they did it right with this weight right here. We're camping. We're gonna fill this up with drinks, with sandwiches, everything that you normally fill up with a cooler, but I wanted to take you on a tour or take you on a journey of this cooler before that actually happens, right? That is one of my favorite features right there, how easy that is. I've had things like this before where the handles, you're like, trying to get it done. Look how glidey and look how smooth that is. All right, ADD moment, squirrel moment, but I love that. I mean, I can't stress that enough. I've had coolers or I've had things like this where the handles just don't go down. So I think they figured out that that was a pain point for people and they fixed it. And I'm gonna say they absolutely fixed it. Now on the other side, you're gonna have a mesh pocket probably for what my wife likes to put in here is like picnic table, like those fork and knives and things that you can have in a mesh pocket that isn't gonna get away from you. Now, really quick, before we get to the main event, you do have a mesh pocket on the outside, and then you actually have some of these straps, kind of a small little mole system where you could strap other things right here. And then look at that, my favorite feature, you have a bottle opener. No longer like, who didn't bring the bottle opener? You get there and you have a bottle opener, and so you are good to go. Now, I know this isn't about the ice bag, but I love using ice packs other than ice that melts and you have to deal with the water or everything. So I got myself some of these ice things that are ready to go. So we just dump that in there like so. I can take this mesh pad and stick it on the side like that. And then my ice is ready. And this cooler bag is gonna stay nice and cool for your event at the beach, day camping. Now, this is not something that I'm gonna leave in for multiple days. Like, I'm not taking this on a tent camping trip. I'm not leaving this in the sun. I'm not expecting my food to be cold for 2 weeks with this little bag. This little bag is exactly for your day trips. You want to keep things cold. You want to keep the kids' lunch cold. You want to keep your drinks cold, and at an angle where I just load it up with a ton of ice and it is still really easy to glide, really easy and not heavy at all. Last but not least is on the inside, you do have this mesh area. This mesh area accessed by the top right here. So you could put things in here that you don't necessarily need to stay cold, but you want out of the elements. So like sunscreen, maybe a towel, something like that, depending on what your day's activities is going to bring in. A couple other things I want to show you guys really quick is you do have handles on the side here. So if you're just not using this, if you're not moving it from, let's just say you're moving it from this location to this location, super easy to do. Now, I'm not taking it from here to the car. That's what this, remember this? That's what this is for. Not this, this. All right, and last but not least, I want to kind of show you how it actually glides across maybe like different surfaces. So we're just gonna take this, put it on the ground, and tell you, because I'm kind of curious, because these small wheels right here, even though it glides really good on wood, how does it do on dirt, road, and even sand? So right now, I'm gonna tell you, it does amazing. I can't even feel it. The weight is gone. Now, here we go, rocky surfaces. Yeah, it's a little more bumpy, but it's still going really good. And then the last thing we got here is just, I mean, I'm good. Probably not gonna be bugging this through the beach and the sand, but in the campground, the picnic areas, the park areas, if that's where you go to the most, this bag is gonna be super convenient. It folds up really small. You can take it apart, you can store it, put it in the back of a car, back of a trunk, and it even Velcros off really easy. So to make storage really easy if you wanted to condense it even further down. We don't, it's summertime. We're gonna be using this all the time. So why store it, but maybe in the wintertime, or for me, like I'm a full-time RVer, I could collapse it in the wintertime if I'm not using a cooler. So there you go. Hopefully that helps you make an informed buying decision, and I'll see you out there on the mountain.